Pa-pa-da-da. Hola y bienvenidos a Learning to Cook a Little Bit with Mr. G. And today's episode is gonna be a little bit different. So one of my students sent me a video about a recipe that he did, and he wants me to do it, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try my best. But before I start, I better get ready. Now, let's go.
Hola, me llamo Vedant Karan. Tengo 12 años y soy de la India. Hoy haré pan de plátano. Comencemos precalentando 350 grados Fahrenheit. Ahora, mientras el horno se caliente, machacaremos 4 plátanos. Puedes usar una machadora o un tenedor que yo uso. Ahora mezclemos nuestros puré de plátanos con media taza de aceite vegetal, una cucharita de vanilla, 2 huevos y una taza de azúcar en un tazo grande. En otro tazón, mezcle una cucharita de bicarbonato de sodio, levadura en polvo, sal y canela. También agregaremos 2 tazas de harina para todo uso. Agrego los ingredientes secos a los ingredientes húmedos y mezclen agregando también media taza de nueces y chispas de chocolate. Ahora rocíe nuestro molde para pan con spray antiadherente para cocinar. Pon la masa en la sartén y ponla en el horno.
Okay, I am done with the mix. It doesn't look as beautiful as Vedant's, but I think it's gonna be okay. Let's go to the oven. Al horno.
Comer por una hora.
I really like the banana bread I made because all the chocolate chips, the nuts added a really nice texture and taste, and everything when it came together created a really nice product at the end.
So our friend is already on the horno, and we have to wait like an hour. So Okay, 1 hour already passed, so let's see. Okay, the banana bread is done. Looks bad. That's okay. It's not how it looks. It's how it tastes. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, this is the final result. Looks good. Let's see how it tastes. It's actually better than I expected. Probably his cake is better than mine. But this is good. This is good. Yeah. I like it. So if you have more recipes that you would like to share with me, let me know. I'll try my best. Thanks for watching. Adios.